Hey folks, this video will teach you how to pronounce the Brazilian Portuguese word meia. The correct pronunciation is meia. Once again, meia. The word meia in Brazilian Portuguese has several different meanings, and it can be a bit confusing for learners. It can mean sock, half, or even the number 6 in some contexts. Let me give you some examples. Coloca sua meia. That means put your sock on. Eu tô pagando meia entrada porque sou estudante, which means I'm paying half price because I'm a student. O número da minha casa é 685. Here, meia is being used as 6. So my house number is 685. But remember, the correct pronunciation is always the one that people can understand, so don't be afraid. Choose whatever is easiest for you. Let's say it one more time. Meia. You've got it. If you have any other word suggestions, feel free to comment below. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.